Why is it so important to boost or increase your metabolism? Studies have shown that the higher your metabolic rate is, the more calories you burn, hence the easier it is to lose weight. Do you know that someone with a slower metabolism will gain more fat from eating less food in comparison to a person with a fast, healthy metabolism? See what affects your metabolism. Genetics, age, weight, diet, exercise habits as well as lifestyle. There are certain areas which we can't control, such as our genes and also age. However, there are also areas which we can control, that is our weight, diet, exercise routine and lifestyle. These are the areas we should take control of, and it can speed up our metabolism. In this video I will be sharing with you 15 effective ways to boost your metabolism, burn fat and lose weight. Metabolism refers to the process of converting food into the energy that allows your body to function. People who have a fast metabolism use up calories more quickly than those with slower metabolisms. One way you can increase your metabolism is by exercising. There are a lot of people who would give a lot to increase their metabolism. Having a high level of metabolism enables one to maintain, burn fat and lose weight fast with the least amount of activity. Metabolism is the rate by which the body produces and consumes energy and calories to support life. There are several factors that affect the metabolism of a person, such as the amount of muscle tissue, the frequency of the meals one consumes, genetics, stress levels, personal diet and activity levels. Metabolism slows down due to the following: loss of muscle because of not enough physical activity, the tendency of the body to cannibalize its own tissue because there is not enough food energy to sustain it, and the decrease of physical activity that comes naturally with old age. Here are several ways to fire up one's metabolism. 1. Build up on lean, mean body mass. It is only natural that metabolism decreases along with age, but it is possible to counter the effects. The amount of muscle a person has is a very strong determinant in the ability to burn calories and shed fat. So it goes without saying that exercise is essential. Build strength and resistance by working out at least twice a week, preferably with weights. Do easy exercises in between workouts. Simple tasks such as walking the dog and using the stairs in place of the elevator can already take off calories. The key is to match the amount of eating to the amount of activity one has. Here are some guidelines in getting the right exercise. For strength training, increase the amount of repetitions of a particular exercise. Add the level of resistance. Utilize advanced exercise techniques if possible. For cardiovascular training, insert intervals between exercises. Perform cross-training and combine the exercises. Add up on resistance and speed too. Eat breakfast. A lot of people are ignoring the fact that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Surprisingly, the ones who eat breakfast are thinner than the ones who do not. Metabolism can slow down considerably if breakfast is taken during mid-morning or if one waits until the afternoon to eat. 3. Avoid sugar. Sugar enables the body to store fat. It is recommended that a person consumes food that helps sustain an even level of blood sugar. Additionally, progressive exercise 2 to 3 times a week should be in order to stabilize blood sugar. 4. Eat spicy foods. Hot cuisine with peppers can increase metabolism. 5. Sleep more. According to research, it is riskier for people who do not get enough sleep to gain weight. Also, muscles are regenerated during the last couple of hours of slumber. 6. Increase water intake. Water flushes out toxins that are produced whenever the body burns fat. Majority of bodily functions involves water, and lack of water causes the body system's operations to decrease its speed, and produces unneeded stress as a result. 7. Eat smaller meals. It is advisable to consume 4 to 6 small meals that are timed 2 to 3 hours apart. 8. Never skip meals. People tend to skip meals in order to lose weight, which is a big mistake since it slows down metabolism. 9. Plan meals in detail. Always prepare the right amount of food to be consumed at the designated intervals. Do not commit the mistake of eating meals in sporadic patterns. 9. Ditch the stress. Stress, be it physical or emotional, triggers the release of a steroid called cortisol, which decreases metabolism. Also, people tend to eat excessively when stressed. 10. Guzzle up on green tea. It can be used as a substitute for coffee. Tea has the ability to stimulate metabolism, and unlike coffee, it has no undesirable side effects when too much is consumed. 11. Eat protein at every meal. Include more energy foods in the diet, such as fruits and vegetables, beans and whole grains. Protein will help to reduce your appetite, it takes more energy and time to digest, in effect you feel full longer than eating carbohydrates alone. Research shows that eating more protein can help you lose weight without cutting calories. Try these protein possibilities: turkey on whole wheat, hummus and pita, vegetarian chili, fruit and nuts, or protein snack bars that contain 12 or more grams of protein. 12. Consume enough for your body's needs. Eating too little slows your body's metabolism the same way eating too infrequently does. If you want to lose weight, do not slash your calories too drastically. Instead, cut out some of the extras in your diet, things like soda, juice, packaged goods or candy. Processed foods tend to be high in fat and calories and low in vitamins, minerals and fiber. Avoid snacks. Many of us grab a snack for quick energy when we are feeling tired. But do not confuse true hunger with fatigue. If you are feeling tired, go for a 15 to 20 minute brisk walk. This will raise your heart rate and give you a boost of energy. Follow it up with a large glass of cool water. If you are truly hungry, have a protein and complex carbohydrate-rich snack like whole wheat crackers and peanut butter or cheese. For you to achieve the desired body weight is never impossible if you have the determination and patience needed to stabilize the metabolism level, which plays an important role in weight loss. You need to realize that eating right and working out is not just a passing fancy, but a way of life. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.